Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create scrolling timeline animation using the video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my video editor app, and then I'm going to create a new project and choose video based, and then I'm going to go to these tags and choose this black background. And wait, let me change the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose this one guys, 16:9 ratio, and then it's time to add tags to this project. So I'm going to click on tab to add subtitle, select text, and I'm going to choose this one, add a little bit of body text, and I'm going to paste the timeline. Okay, and then we're going to create the scrolling animation. But wait guys, let me remove the VN ending, and then I'm going to extend the duration. I'm going to make it 10, around 10 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to use keyframe to create the scrolling animation. I'm going to click on the text, and then I'm going to add keyframe right here, and then I'm going to move to the end of the text and add keyframe. And for the end of the text, I'm going to make it out of frame like this, and I'm going to play it to show you guys how it looks. Okay, let me move it here again. Okay, done. And then I'm going to export this video. I'm going to click on export and export, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, done. And I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to click on new project here and then choose video based, and again go back to this tag, and I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to change the ratio and import the video we have just exported. Go to the PIP right here and then select videos, and I'm going to export this video, import the video, and I'm going to fit the screen, and then wait, let me place it here. Okay, and we're going to go to the mask, select mask, rectangle mask, and I'm going to place the mask here, and you can keep adjusting the mask until you're satisfied. Alright, this is after I adjust many times, and yeah, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's how we can create scrolling timeline animation using the video editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.